Welcome to another video from Yenkna PCs. This time we're going to look at something very interesting called HTML. For the duration of the video, I'm going to let my AI take over.
Hypertext Markup Language, HTML, is the standard markup language for creating web pages and web applications. With cascading style sheets, CSS, and JavaScript, it forms a triad of cornerstone technologies for the World Wide Web. Web browsers receive HTML documents from a web server or from local storage and render them into multimedia web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page semantically and originally included cues for the appearance of the document. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. With HTML constructs, images, and other objects, such as interactive forms, may be embedded into the rendered page. It provides a means to create structured documents by denoting structural semantics for text such as headings, paragraphs, lists, links, quotes and other items. HTML elements are delineated by tags, written using angle brackets. Browsers do not display the HTML tags, but use them to interpret the content of the page. HTML can embed programs written in a scripting language such as JavaScript which affect the behavior and content of web pages. Inclusion of CSS defines the look and layout of content. The World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, maintainer of both the HTML and the CSS standards, has encouraged the use of CSS over explicit presentational HTML since 1997. In 1980, physicist Tim Berners-Lee, a contractor at CERN, proposed and prototyped Inquire, a system for CERN researchers to use and share documents. In 1989, Berners-Lee wrote a memo proposing an internet-based hypertext system. Berners-Lee specified HTML and wrote the browser and server software in late 1990. That year, Berners-Lee and CERN data systems engineer Robert Cailliau collaborated on a joint request for funding, but the project was not formally adopted by CERN. In his personal notes from 1990 he listed some of the many areas in which hypertext is used and put an encyclopedia first. The first publicly available description of HTML was a document called HTML Tags, first mentioned on the internet by Tim Berners-Lee in late 1991. It describes 18 elements comprising the initial, relatively simple design of HTML. Except for the hyperlink tag, these were strongly influenced by SGML, an in-house standard generalized markup language, SGML, based documentation format at CERN. 11 of these elements still exist in HTML4.
Thank you, AI. Well, I hope you found this video educational of HTML. Please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and catch you later.